Hi, I'm Brent Smith. I'm running for state representative. Northeast Oregon needs a representative that will fight to stop expansion of government spending and regulation. Small business, farming, logging, manufacturing, and ranching are the real economic activity that bring prosperity to the people of Northeast Oregon. I want you to hear from some of the small business owners that are helping me bring this message to Salem.
This is former Union County Commissioner Colleen McLeod. Brent Smith understands that Oregon's strength is Oregon's businesses, and that better schools and services come when businesses are left to grow, not overtaxed and managed out of existence. I'm a small business person, and I'm voting for Brent Smith.
I'm Aaron Akers, and I am with Brent Smith.
I'm John Howard. I'm a past county commissioner for 16 years and a small business owner, and I'm supporting Brent Smith.
It all starts with your vote in the May 15th Republican primary. To learn more, visit BrentHSmith.com, paid for by Friends to Elect Brent Smith.